Hey everyone, it's Julian. It is Monday, March 7th, 2022 at 5:48 a.m. and today I am documenting day 18, I think, of me documenting my journey towards becoming a mobile developer. Let's get into it. So today I'm going to be starting off with, as I usually would, Ultimate Portfolio app courses. We're still going through some testing lessons. This one's about testing development data. I'm not quite sure what that entails exactly. And there are also going to be some about extensions and measuring performance and UI testing, and interested to see where it goes because I really don't know what to expect. For those of you who don't know, this course is on the hackingwithswift.com website. Couldn't recommend it enough. Go take it if you're interested in iOS development and you're still getting started out, or even if you're not still getting started out, there's probably something you could learn from it. Anyway, let's get into it. I just went through 2 testing lessons. Let's see what they covered. We have 2 new Swift files. One is development tests and one is extension tests. And development tests essentially has a bunch of tests, each of which test whether or not our code that helps us work with sample data works properly. So for example, we have a method on our data controller that creates sample data, and we want to make sure that this method that creates the sample data actually works. And when that method is run, it's supposed to make 5 projects and 50 items. So what we're essentially saying here is that data controller.create sample data, when it's called, should result in this many projects and this many items. And if it doesn't, make sure that we see one of these errors if either of those things aren't true. Onto extension tests. This is essentially exactly what it sounds like. It tests our extensions. And I have a bunch of comments here as well, just like I did on the other one. And it runs through each of our extensions and makes sure that each of them work properly. So for example, we have our decodable extension being tested here with awards. It's making sure that the decodable extension can decode our custom award type. And if it cannot, we get this error message, awards.json should decode to a non-empty array, meaning that when we decode our awards.json file, it should be containing a bunch of awards within an array. I probably worded that super weird, but that's basically what this is. And of course, if we go up here to this check mark, and we could do the same thing in development tests, but we're doing it in extension tests, we should get a notification right here in the middle of the screen somewhere after all the tests are done running that says test succeeded. So all of our tests are working properly, which is great. I've been going for just about 2 hours now. Those were a couple long lessons. I'm looking forward to being done with tests. I think I'm probably going to finish the lessons on tests tomorrow, and then we'll be moving on to some more interesting stuff. This is kind of boring me hardcore, but I know it's important, so I'm getting through it and doing what I need to do to learn a skill that is valuable in the world of programming, it seems. So, with all that being said, I'm gonna go get ready for work and call it a day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.